सर्वेषां कृते भवन्तः अद्य अष्टम सस्यमस्य कक्षया स्वागतम्। सुप्रभातं च आरम्भं कुर्मः। मुरली महोदय प्रार्थना वदति वा?
Yes, ma'am. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Purame Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhi Bhavatu Me Sadha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasme Shri Gurave Namaha.
मुरली महोदय एकवारम् अहं पठामि, भवान् ध्यानेन शृणोतु। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। उत्तमम्। वयं सर्वे गत कक्षया अत्र तत्र कुत्र सर्वत्र अन्यत्र शब्दानि पठितवन्तः। इदानीं पुनरवलोकनं कुर्मः। अद्य we will have a quick recap. So quickly, Bhavya patatu atra screen.
Atra, yes ma'am. Atra means here. Gajaha atra asti. The elephant is here. Nadi atra asti. The river is here. Jalam atra asti. Water is here.
Samyak. Kalyani Bagini tatra patatu.
Tatra means there. Simhaha tatra asti. The lion is there. Balika tatra asti. The girl is there. Chatram tatra asti. The umbrella is there.
Murali Mahodaya, Bhavan patatu anyatra.
Anyatra, somewhere, not here or elsewhere. Balakaha anyatra asti. The boy is somewhere, not here. Ankani anyatra asti. The pencil is somewhere. Pustakam anyatra asti. The book is elsewhere. Mayuraha anyatra shanti.
Mayuraha.
Mayuraha anyatra shanti. The peacocks are somewhere. Panchalikaha anyatra santi. The toys are somewhere. Phalani anyatra santi. The fruits are somewhere.
So when we use plural, Mayuraga anyatra santi. Balakaga anyatra santi. Balakaga atra asti. Balakaga anyatra santi. Please note that. So when we use plural, that asti and santi, we have to use balakaga atra asti, balakaga anyatra santi. That is the
Yes.
next. Kalyani Magode.
Everywhere, sarvatra, everywhere. Ishvaraha, sarvatra asti. Ishvara is everywhere. Vayuhu, sarvatra asti. Air is everywhere. Jalam, sarvatra asti. Water is everywhere.
So sarvatra means everywhere, and whatever everywhere is there, we say sarvatra. Sundar Mahodaya. Kutra patatu.
Kutra, where? Ishvaraha, kutra asti, where is Ishvara? Ishvaraha sarvatra asti. Ishvara is everywhere. Lekhani, kutra asti, where is the pen? Lekhani, atra asti, the pencil is here. Pen is here. Nakshatram, kutra asti, where is the star? Nakshatram tatra asti. The star is there.
So kutra, that is question. Where? Where do you live? Bhavya Mahodaye, Bhavati kutra vasati? We
Aham
ask her.
Melbourne.
Yes, kutra means question. Yes, Mahodaya. Vadatu, uttaram dadatu.
Aham Melbourne nagare vasami.
Very good. Uttama. Vayam idanim sarvam militva atra tatra kutra drishyamaha. Okay, who is there next? Who was not read?
I can read.
Bhargavi.
Yeah. Deepak Mahodaye, Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam.
Patati va? Bhavan.
Mushakaha atra asti. The mouse is here. Shatika tatra asti. The sari is there. You want me to read the whole thing, ma'am?
Yeah. Read.
Kandukam kutra asti. Where is the ball? Parvataha kutra santi. Where are the mountains? Nadyaha sarvatra santi. Rivers are everywhere. Nakshatram kutra asti. Where is the star? Kapayaha kutra santi. Where are the monkeys? Rotikaha kutra santi. Where are the rotis? Guravaha anyatra santi. The gurus are elsewhere. Ramaha atra asti va. Is Rama here?
Uttamam. So you got the meaning of atra, tatra, sarvatra, anyatra, kutra. We can use the symbol like this. Atra, tatra, sarvatra, anyatra, kutra. You can do Bharatanatyam symbol and learn. It's the best way. That is how we learned, you know?
Ma'am, small doubt. Atra means here.
Yeah.
Tatra means there.
Yeah.
And sarvatra means everywhere.
Everywhere.
Anyatra means
Somewhere. Somewhere.
somewhere. And kutra means where, questioning, where.
Yes. Got Mahoday?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, last week we saw the prashnaha question words according to the gender. If it is pullingaha, kaha, and for that pronouns are saha, yeshaha. Kaha ramaha, yeshaha ramaha, saha lakshmanaha. Yeshaha is close and saha is little far away. So, yeshaha ramaha, saha lakshmanaha. Kaha lakshmanaha, saha lakshmanaha. Okay. So now you will ask questions and you will answer. Ka. Bhavya Mahode.
Yeah. Sa एषः का एषा का एषा लेखनी सा का सा भार्गवी
Samyak. Kalyani Mahode. Kim.
tat kim, tat bhavanam, etat kim, etat vimanam asti.
Uttamam. Va. Va means am ya na. Yes or no. Etat pustakam va. Na. What is this?
Lekani
Tat
asti.
lekani.
Le. Yesha.
Esha.
Lekani.
Lekani. Esha lekani.
You have to mind it. This is Strilingam. Esha lekani. Etat lekani va.
Esha lekani.
Esha lekani.
Lekani.
So we have to be very careful. Now va am. So we say when I say Esha lekani va am. Esha lekani.
Lekani.
So Esha lekani va. What will you say?
Na
na
etat pustakam.
Very good. Etat pustakam. Na. Etat pustakam. Etat chashakaha va.
Na.
Na. Etat pustakam.
Pustakam.
Pustakani.
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 Kani.
Pustakau. In fact, if it
Pustakau.
is,
Yeah.
Two.
yeah,
Two.
two.
Pustak.
Pustakau.
Eshaha kaha. I can't say this. Eshaha kaha. This is a lekani. I need a plural. Pullinga. This. Okay. So, Yeshaha kaha, Yeshaha Ramaha, Yeshaha Vrikshaha, Yeshaha Mayuraha, like that. So, we can ask questions, am, na, this. Now, Kutra we have seen. Kutra. Pustakam Kutra asti, Pustakam Atra asti.
Prasti.
Mayuraha Kutra santi.
Yuraha anyatra santi.
Prasti.
Anyatra santi. Atra na santi. Atra Deepak Mahodaya asti. Aham asmi.
Aham
Right?
asmi.
Aham atra aham asmi. Tatra Deepak Mahodaya asti. Anyatra. Mayuraha kutra asti? Mayuraha anyatra asti. Vayuhu kutra asti?
Vayuhu sarvatra asti.
Vayuhu sarvatra. Jalam kutra asti?
Jalam sarvatra asti.
Sarvatra asti.
Sarvastra. Nakshatrani kutra santi?
Tatra santi.
Tran.
Nakshatrani
Tatra.
atra akashe santi. Right. Now, Strilinga Bahuvachanam. We just a quick recap. Last week also we saw Veena, Veenaga, and that how Ikara, Ukara changes. We saw how Guru, the plural, how it changes, and how Nadi, Ikara words change in plural form. We will see quickly a recap. And Napumsaka Linga Bhagavachanam api Drishyamaga. What is the singular for this Vyanjanani? What is the singular form?
Vyanjanam.
Yeah.
Vyanjanam.
Now quickly each one should say singular form and plural form also. Okay? Quickly. We start with Murali Mahodaya. Murali Mahodaya, अस्ति वा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Kanganam.
Bahuvachanam.
Kanganani.
Yes. Deepak Mahodaya.
Toranam, Toranani.
Yes. Anya ko, who are the others?
Kalyani.
Kalyani Vadatu. Yeah. Bhargavi Mahodaya.
Toranani.
What is the singular?
Toran.
To? Huh? Singular?
Toranam.
Yes. Toranam, Toranani. Next who? Bhavya.
Vanam,
Yes.
Vanani. Then
Okay.
Akshay Mahodaya.
Okay, now we will see afterwards. Again, there will be some slides about the plural Vachanani. So, before that, this Natvam. What is Natvam? You know, in place of some words, instead of this soft Na, Mahaprana, Na comes. So, that is called, the technical word for that is Natvam. This Natvam, we have to understand the rules where it Nakara becomes Nakara. Nakara becomes Nakara. Na. How do we pronounce Na? Ucharanam karotu? Na. When you pronounce Natvam. This Na, what is this called? It touches the upper portion of the Natvam. Like that, if you say this, the words which contains R, Ish, and Dr, and In, they all change into Natvam. Nakara, we call it. So, wherever these, any one of these letters, or in sometimes more than one letters in the word, then it becomes Nakara. Now, when we say, see, how do we split this Karnaha? Karnaha. K plus A is Ka, and R plus In,
Plus in.
that of Rakara, so Refa, that is Kar. That is why, see, Ka means Ik plus Sa, and Refa of Ardha Rakara, then In plus A and Visarga. So that becomes Karnaha. but because of this refa, we pronounce it Karnaha. All of you get it? Like that, Vish Krishnaha. Krishnaha also, when we split, ik, see, ik, there in, this is full kakara. That is why ik plus ha. Whereas here, kr, ik
ru,
plus r,
ru,
kr, and shakara,
Langa Shakara.
and plus na, and plus aha. So this becomes Krishnaha. Like that,
Ma'am, sorry. If you are writing na, tata dada na, then also you have to pronounce as ana, tata dada ana. If it
No.
is rafa,
no.
while reading a book,
While reading the book as it is written, ka varga, ta varga, you have to read as it is. You can't change that. The letter is there. You know, when we
absolutely.
read ka varga, kha, ga, we read fully, right?
Okay. Okay.
There the letter is there. When the conjunction happens, you know, when the combination happens, then only these parivartanam, these changes happen.
No, ma'am. If somebody want to write me, or you ask me to write karna, I will write ka and kar plus ana only. I will not write tata dada na. That is karna. Always we will write like Vishnu. I will write like that only. But
No,
when
you
this
will,
change will happen,
you will write the final one. This is for our understanding, our learning.
okay,
This
ma'am.
is split
Okay.
and all. This is to explain to you how we have to change, right? You will write Vishnu like this. You won't write like this.
Okay. Now I got it. Actually,
Yeah.
the correct writing we have to do, but how it is evolved, you are explaining.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So the Vishnu who changes like this, Iv plus E and Ish plus in and Huha. Vishnu who. So this is how Pitrunam, Ip plus E. We have seen the Shabda Vigrahanam. When we did, we know how to split the words, swaras and vyanjanas, how the formation of the shabd. So here also you have to see how the refa or all these words occur. Wherever one of these letters are there natvam occurs. That is, you have to keep in mind. Now, the next rule is, that was the first rule. The next one is, you see, this along with ra, sha, r, all this, if a swara happens, what are the swaras? A, from starting from A Arabhya. Yeah, they are known as swaras. So if the swaras are there and if plus in, then natvam happens. You know, more than the rules, when you listen, when you study words, you will automatically pronounce only like that, no other way. But these are all the rules you have to keep in mind. Okay. So
Ma'am,
this is,
sorry,
yeah.
this is Lakshmi. Sorry, you're joining late. So one of the questions in the homework was, when does this na, like for the Napunsakalinga, for the Bahuvachana, why it is ni versus ni? What was the one of the question, right? So I think what you're saying is any of these come, then it becomes ana or ni, correct?
Yes, yes.
That's the explanation. Perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So these are the rules, and any of the word which fits into the rules, it undergoes change, and we call natvam occurs. Instead of nakara, this natvam occurs, right? So here also you see, along with these letters, first rule is this ra, sha, r, all this, and na happens natvam. Now the second rule is, along with any of these letters, swara from all the swaras, if they happen, then it natvam occurs. Then this ha, ya, va, even these letters, if they are there, natvam occurs. Then in the ka varga, what we call it, first line, they called ka varga, vyanjanani. All the vyanjanani, we call them vargas. Each first line, ka varga, pa varga, ta varga, cha varga. No? So, ka varga. If any of these ka varga letters occur, then natvam happens. Then pa varga. If they occur, natvam happens. So, what are they? First is this r, sh, r plus na. If these letters occur in the word, natvam happens. Second is, along with them, any of the swaras, and if these three letters, ha, ya, va, and
Kavarga,
ka varga, pa varga.
Kavarga.
So, natvam happens. Now, see examples. Grihani. Grihani, we change into grihani. We write grihani. It should, see, ig plus r plus ha. In grihani, what is the word according to our rule? See, ha occurs, the first one, right? So we have to put natvam. There is a ha, no? Grihani. So, grihani natvam apod. You split the word and you see where all these rules apply. Any of this one, if it is there, we change into natvam.
Yeah, ma'am. That
Grihani.
means Gruhani,
This
if I am writing
slide-
in the first place, it is wrong.
No, this is wrong. You should write this one.
Yes.
So this slide is a little bit confusing, ma'am. That's what I was looking at this slide, and it's confusing the way they wrote it. So Grihani.
Actually, in the beginning, we studied natvam at the last stage. Anyway, they have put it this time. And you forget about, just try to memorize and split the words. And the simple rule is, the pronunciation, we pronounce the same way, like, na and ra, all are same pronunciation, and if that occurs, there is a change in the plural vachanani, grihani. Griham becomes, see, the makara is there, kavarga griham, makara is there, so it will automatically grihani. Bhavanam.
But madam, but when you say Griham Makara is there, but even Phalam Makara is there, but it becomes only Phalani, right?
Yeah. Palani, because that
But-
swara is there.
Pavarga is there, no?
No,
Yeah.
No,
in
no, no, not the
Palani,
beginning part. Phalani is not the
See,
beginning part. Doesn't
Palani,
come.
it is
No,
not,
but
it
all
doesn't.
the entire Varga, no? Papa, Baba.
No,
everything.
no,
no, no,
the
no.
letter
See, in
that is
Palani, there
coming
is
at
no
the end
rush,
only makes it
You have to, first condition is this rush should be there.
correct.
Palani, there is
Only
not
these
there.
three.
It is not there. So first condition, this should be there. Next only the swara, all of that also.
Yeah.
If it is
First
there.
condition, you see that.
Palani does not have that.
See,
No, I
Palani.
think I was asking madam. I think when ma'am, if you go to the next slide, you said if you get ma, then
So
it becomes the
sometimes,
natvam.
sometimes.
I see.
This is,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Now, Bhavanam, Bhavanani. It doesn't say Bhavanani,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So there are exceptions and there are swaras. And the more I explain, you may get confusion. Just, okay, listen this and try to any of this. And on this ka varga, pa varga, any of these letters are there. And the main, those r, sha, r, na. If any of these letters are there, we change. See, now grihani, it becomes grihani. Chatrani, chatrani. Here it is tra, ra. Refa is there. And plus swara, a is there. Chatrani. And pushpani. See, ish, shakara is there. A is there. Pushpani. Indriyani. And refa is there. A is there. So the first rule is swara is there. And sha is there. So naturally natvam happens. Understand? So
Madam,
we will see some of.
For the other vargas like the cha, ta, and ta varga,
No, if they occur,
despite
there is
them
no
being
natvam.
there is no conversion.
There is no natvam. Okay. Now when we see the words, we will, next slides, we will have words. We will see them. Okay. Now, chatrani. What is the singular?
Chatram.
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 Now, when you split it, can somebody, Bhavya, can you split?
Yeah. Cha. Cha plus a chatram. Cha plus a plus ra.
Tra, you can say, yeah, it plus ir.
It plus ir. It plus ir
Ir.
plus chatram.
Swara.
Im.
Plus
Swara appears, no?
1 minute.
Plus a.
Chatra. Dirga a.
Chatrani. No, a is cha plus a plus
Plus ir
ir
plus a.
plus a plus
Im
im.
plus a.
No, half
Im,
half
chatram.
refa.
Halandama.
No, halantama.
Alanta. Yeah. So,
Halantama is chatrani.
chatrani. Now, next word, pushpani. How does it change?
Pa
Ip
plus
plus u.
Kalyani, Mahodaya.
ip plus.
Halanda pa plus u.
Hmm.
Halanda sha. Push. Ip halanda pa plus a. Pushpa. Na plus e. Pushpani.
Pushpani.
Badi e की मात्रा.
Surabhi Mahodaya. Next.
Pushpani.
No, next word I'll give you.
Patrani. Halant pa plus a.
No,
Plus
Halant, why should, okay, you said Halant. Okay, right.
halant pa plus a plus halant ta plus halantra dirgha a halantana plus rasva e.
Halant na. Na. You have to be very careful when you
Na.
dictate. Yeah, na, na,
Na.
na, 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 na.
Na.
No, na.
Na. No.
In
Na.
North India, we say as na.
No.
Yeah,
No,
correct. No, it is see, it is written as na only, but the evolution of the form, it starts with na, normal na, because that it, ir and all are there, it changes to na. That's what she
Okay,
is
so
trying to
we,
say.
so okay,
No,
so what?
नॉर्थ
Okay,
इंडिया में भी जब कोई पूछते हैं ना नहीं कहते हैं ना
okay, I
ना
get it. So
we
we are
say
talking about
na
how it's
is
evolving.
where somewhere Maharashtrians for every word they say na, whereas in North India when you say somebody say no कहते हो na that
Get
na
it.
is the first
No.
na.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
So you have to be very careful in the ucharanam
Right.
in Sanskritam.
Ma'am, I have a
Next.
question. So are you saying it is the first na, or should you be saying na?
See, the first na is soft
Mritu.
na.
Correct.
Whereas when we change into plural Bhagavachanam, the natvam, mahaprana na or big na,
Ma.
right?
Yes.
You got it?
And I thought, yes. And I thought that's what she said. So you're saying don't say ana, but say na.
Again, you are saying na. I don't hear na. Maybe because this is why online teaching it happens sometimes, phonetical difference, Na, na.
Yes.
Can you make
Are
the
we
difference?
correct? Yes. But my question to you is, are we in that previous word that she said
Patrani.
patrani? She said ip ha halantata halantara dirgha a, and then she said ana and e. So you're saying it should not be ana, or
It should
be
not be ana. It should be in.
And that's the question. Why na?
Because that only changes into na.
So
It's
we
like
don't say it. When you're saying, you should say na, but write it as na.
Yes.
No. No,
Can you go
ma'am.
back
When
to
you
the
Then
split,
first
it's
you
slide,
have to
ma'am?
go back to na.
no.
Can
Why?
you go back
Why?
to the
I will
17th slide?
change. I will show you. See
Correct.
here.
This slide.
See this here, Girhani. How does it change? There is nakara, no?
Correct.
How do you say this na?
No. No.
Na.
Okay. Pushpani. See,
Na.
at the end it is ni. But how do you see? See?
No.
No.
Grihani. So all this ends, see, Chatrani. See, you can't say Chatrani. You can't say A plus in. It is in.
What?
N.
But
In
ma'am,
plus E.
that's how
Okay.
it is evolving. But the ultimate word is Chatrani.
Yeah, but we are seeing the evolution.
We are seeing the
So we
evolution. So we are saying no.
Yeah, when you split, you should say this. In plus E only becomes ni.
Oh.
Right? Okay. When you split, technically you should write, but the end is Chatrani.
Interesting. Oh, that's okay. This is where the confusion is. This in this
Yes.
slide.
Yeah.
What you're saying is you are supposed to write in the splitting as, for example, for Pushpani, we should say A, N, and E, but write it as Pushpani.
Yes.
That's confusing.
So
Don't
I have
worry.
a question.
Yeah.
Suppose we get to split Pushpani, the word Pushpani, where there's a no,
No, it depends again which topic it comes. Natvam or just simply split. Okay.
no, simply if it is simply split.
Even if it is simple split, if you write like this, they will give you marks because they will understand you have understood Natvam also.
Okay, we don't need to specify.
No.
I
You can
think
write
the
this way
point is to
also.
practice Natvam rather than this
Yeah.
actual writing the split. Here in the practice is about Natvam here. Actually.
Yeah, the practice is Natvam. Actually, yes.
Get it?
Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
But it's
Pushpani.
confusing, but we will follow. I guess
Yeah.
we will follow what you're saying. Got
You
it.
know,
Okay.
Sanskritam churns your brain. Mandirani. We say what is the singular form?
Mandiram.
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 How will you speak?
Mandiram.
Plus
Deepak Mahoday,
M.
Bhavan karo.
Mandiram, mandirani. Im plus a plus in plus id plus I plus ir plus a plus in plus I. So that in becomes in because there is a ir just before, ir and a before, which is both ir varga and the swara is there. So the in changes to in. So it is mandirani.
Samyak. I hope everybody gets any doubt in this. Patrani. Akshay Mahoday.
Patram, that's singular. Patrani is plural. P plus a, t plus r plus a plus n plus e. Since there is pa, there is tra, or sorry, ra. We move to from na to na.
So Natvam occurs Patrani. Now, so for a while, let us forget Natvam and we will do the plural Bahuvachana forms of all mixtures. Here, Pullingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsaha Lingaha, Sarvani, Bahuvachanam, Drishyama. Astu. So, quickly, who has not read?
Shall I read, madam?
Yeah,
Bhargavi.
Bhargavi Mahodaya. Yeah. So you read,
Shikshakah.
yeah, two words each quickly. Shikshakaha,
शिक्षकः शिक्षका ग्रामः ग्रामाः
okay.
ग्राम
Akshay Mahodaya,
Gajaha, gajaha, simhaha, simhaha.
Lakshmi Mahodaya,
Vrukshah, vrukshaah, Deepah, Deepaah.
Deepak Mahodaya,
Sahodarah, Sahodaraha, Guruhu, Guravaha.
okay. Next, who is, I don't see, Kalyani Mahodaya,
Shikshika, Shikshikaha, Pullinga, sorry, Strilinga, Bhakta, Bhaktaha.
okay. Next, Bhavya,
I think we missed
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
yeah,
Vishnu.
sorry,
Vishnavaha will come, ma'am.
Vishnavaha.
Vishnavaha.
Vishnavaha. Ukara
Vishnuhu,
changes into Vakara,
Or just
right?
like Guruhu, Guravaha.
Guravaha,
Vishnuhu, Vishnavaha.
Vishnavaha, yeah.
And Mala, Malaha.
Mala. Mala is Akaranta Pullingaha. Vishnuhu Ukaranta.
Ukaranta.
Yeah. So who is next?
Lekhani,
Yeah.
Lekhanyaha,
Very good.
Nadi, Nadyaha.
Why this Yakara happens? Lekani, Lekanyaha. Why it happens?
Ikaranta.
Very good.
Become
Ikara.
Yaha.
Because Ikarantaga Shabdam. Next.
Gulika, gulikaha,
Hmm.
lata, lataha. Akaranta shabda, stril.
Pullinga. Gulika, Latha, Pullinga. Next, who is
It's Srilinga, no, ma'am? Gulika, Lata.
Gulika? Yes, Akaranta.
Akaranta. So,
Akaranta, Srilinga.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Ma'am.
Lata
Yeah.
also Akaranta Strilinga. Sorry. Dvichakrika. Who is next?
Can I try? Dvichakrika,
Mm.
Dvichakrikaha. Gatya, Gati, Gatyaha.
Gati,
Gatya,
Gatyaha. Gatyaha.
Gatya,
Ming
Gatyaha.
Mahodaya, Bhavati eva vadatu, Vastram.
Vastram, Vastra. This one should be
What is this word, first of all? Pullinga,
Vastram.
Strilinga, Napumsakalinga.
I'm not sure. Is it
It is
Strilinga?
Vastram. Huh?
Strilinga?
No, it is Napumsakalingam. Palam, Vastram, Vanam, Mandiram, Bhavanam. These are all Napumsakalinga.
Okay.
So in
Vastrani.
Bhagavachanam, how it changes?
Vastrani.
Why it should change Vastrani?
Because there is
Refa is there. And then?
And Rifa plus na becomes na.
So the Swara, Dirga, Akaranta is also there. So Vastrani. You got how it changes?
Huh?
You got how it changes? Vastram changes into Vastrani.
Yeah, there's a rifa and then there is na.
Okay. Next, who is there? Surabhi Mahodaya, Narikelam.
Narikelani.
Narikelani. And Dwaram also, vadatu, bhavati eva.
Dwarani.
Dwarani. Because Refa is there, Swara is there, and Makara is also there.
Shouldn't it be Nadikelani? No, because there's a Rakara.
No, this Narikelani, because Lakara is there. It doesn't come in Kavarga, Pavarga.
But it is blocking the conversion.
Is there, right? Ra and na will come. So that's why shouldn't it be na?
La is blocking the conversion.
Narikelam, Narikelani. That it has, see, Narikelam, Lakara is not there. And this is Ikara, Swara is there. And M, Makara is there. But still we call it Narikelani. We will find out.
Ill is there. No, ill is not part of that.
Ill is
list.
not part of Kavarga, Pavarga Shabda only. See, if you spell La, you don't touch the upper portion of Na, Si, Pa, Ma, all those things we touch the pronunciation Na. But this La is not like that. That is why it is Nakara, not Nakara.
I think the main question, I think that other gentleman's question was, I think he's getting confused saying that na and r is coming in the first two words. So I think he's assuming that it becomes nari kelani. No, it is the last ending letter, not the halantama, but the lakara or the tra or all of those that defines it.
It is preceded. See, Lakara is there. That is why we will not use Natvam, because Lakara is not a part of that rule.
Let me actually say, so for it, if I have to split this, right? So Narika Kelani, I'm not talking about the na in the beginning. I'm talking about the end actually. So when I split it, right, I say na plus a, r plus small e, k a, l plus a.
Il plus a, la plus a.
Yeah, and here I am assuming that it will be n plus e, right? The n, since there is r followed by n, right? Ik r followed by n at the end with e, right? So that's why it follows the first rule that we talked about, r and n, and it should be n.
No, ra and na should come next to each other. So here the ra is followed by ik, which is also okay, but then it is followed by il. Il is not part of that rule. So that's why we won't change natvam here.
You have to see preceding, succeeding letters. See, lakara, la is not part of that rule.
No, so if you see that I'm not even talking about la, ma'am. I'm talking about ra, and the end na is what?
No. Between the ra and the na, in between, there are only few
there's
letters
a ka
allowed.
Varga.
Ka varga is there.
There is na at the end.
No. There is no ik is there, but then ik is not immediately followed by n and na. There is also another letter. So that letter is la, and that letter, because it is la, it is natvam will not apply. So you are right, after ra, there is a ka, which is kavarga is there. But after the kavarga, if immediately in had come, then the natvam would have applied. But here,
absolutely.
But there is a la also. Okay. Yeah, la is not part of the rule.
Akshay Mahoday, I think your question, you are looking at, madam, can you go to the previous slides where you had split it? If you go back, if you don't mind, just for a second. I think Akshay Mahoday is talking about what he's saying is for that Narikelam, he's defining that Narikelani and then saying there is Navarga, then becomes na. No, what Akshay Mahoday you need to focus on is how do you split Narikelam first? So when you split it, in that Narikelam, you are not saying the last ending letter as R, Sh, R. You're not saying any of those. That's why it will state Narikelani.
No. Ra comes in the between.
In between.
That is correct. I think Deepak explained it correctly.
Yeah.
So the last word before na, right, that is not part of any of this list. Yeah. Right. So I understood this. Now this makes sense.
See, this nakara is not there.
Yeah.
Mahoday, you got it? Akshay Mahoday?
Yes, ma'am.
So Deepak Mahodaya, very good. Correctly, he got it. Thanks for explaining well.
So I think some vargas should be seen as allowers and other vargas as blockers.
Blockers, yeah. So la is not part of the list, so it will not allow you to change.
Yeah. And as you study by practice also, you will come to know. Mandirani. So Mandiram is the...
Yeah, ma'am, only one confusion, if you allow me. That's why if it starts with Navarga or no, it will not change. Almost all, in all the cases, it comes in the end. Mandiram or Naga or Nagaram. Where na is starting with any word with na, it will not change to ana. Vishnu.
No, it doesn't.
If it is coming in the ends only, Chatrani or your Namaskaram never will change to ana.
Yeah, it happens only in the end. I think that
absolutely. Absolutely. In almost cases, all cases, if it is the last word, last letter of the word, then it will change or transition to with these rules of ra, sha, sa, and swara, and ka and pavarga. Then it will come to ana.
Yes, that is the rule. And that is the rule. And you just see the... let me go to this again. See, if any of these letters ends with soft na, see, all of them, they have ended with soft na, you see. And the swaras are there. See, first rule is swara, and any of these letters, ha, ya, va, and ka varga, any of these letters and pa vargaha plus this na, soft na, then it changes into natvam. See,
Okay, ma'am.
swara plus
Absolutely. That's where that na is in the end. Even in your
yeah,
example, also you are giving that.
absolutely.
Absolutely. That's where
Absolutely.
that conclusion we can come. If it ends with na,
Yes.
with these rules, it will transform into ana.
Yes.
Ta ta da da na.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I hope everybody
Ma'am, I
got
think
it.
this we have done Griham, Mandiram and all. I think you have to go further down, ma'am.
Yeah, I will do. So where were we? We have done this.
That list 23.
22nd,
Right.
23 we are doing.
23 we have done, right?
We were at
Dwaram,
Narikelam. That was the question.
yeah, Narikelam we have done. Dwaram we have done. I think somebody did Dwaram. Vyajanam we have done. Vyajanam.
Vyajanani.
Vyajanani. Now you will ask why Vyajanani? There is no Nakara. Natvam. Right?
No, this is clear. Yeah.
This is clear. Kandukam.
Kandukani.
Kandukani. Why does na occurs, natvam occurs in Kandukam, Akshay Mahode?
No, it should not occur, no, ma'am, because there's no r,
No, there is no ra, sha, or ru. So
No.
it's
So
na.
it's only Kandukani.
Kandukani. Duradarshanam.
Duradarshanani.
Duradarshanani. Sankhanakam.
So that badana is there, so sankanakani.
Because this natvam dvityam now bhavati. Two times. Generally it doesn't happen. There are exceptions that we will see. Vimanam. Vimanani. Again here natvam doesn't. Vanam. Vanani. Again natvam doesn't happen.
Apply.
Yeah. So just to go through these slides, maybe once again, you will understand. So let us go to Subhashitam. This is a beautiful Subhashitam. Acharyat padam adatte padam shishyaha swamedaya padam sab brahmacharibhyah padam kalakrameణ cha. Shishyah acharyat padamadatte padam swamedaya padam sab brahmacharibhyah padam kalakrameణ cha. So Kalyani Mahodaya, can you read the Subhashitam and the meaning written there?
Yeah. Acharya Padamadate Padam Sishyah Swamedaya Padam Sa Brahmacharibhyah Padam Kala Kramena Cha. A pupil learns only a quarter from his teacher, acquires another quarter from his own intelligence, receives yet another quarter from his classmates, and gets the other quarter in course of time.
So this is talks about Shishyaha. So first we can bring Shishyaha. Shishyaha, how does he gets his learning? Acharya Padamadatte. From his teacher, he gets quarter of his Siksha. Shishyaha is a student, Shishyaha. Acharya Padamadatte Padam Swamedeya. So the next quarter he gets from Swamedeya, from his own intelligence. Swamedeya means Swayam Medaya, to his own efforts, from his own intelligence. Padam Sabbrahmacharibhyah. And another quarter he gets from his, there in olden times, this all those people, Gurukula, they are known as brahmacharis. So now you can say classmates, you know, classmates, we are also westernized, you know. So, Padam Sabbrahmacharibhyah. and the other quarter he gets from his classmates, and padam kala kramena cha, over the time he gets the other quarter. So how many quarters have become? 4 quarters. From 4 sources he gets. That's what the Subhashitam says. Ming Mahodaye, asti va?
Yes. Shall I read
Patatu
it?
ekvaram.
Shall I read it?
Acharya. Yes.
Acharya Padamadate.
You please repeat with me.
Okay.
Acharyat padamadatte.
Acharyat Padamadate.
Padam shishyaha.
Padam Shishyaha.
Swamedaya.
Swamedaya.
Again we will repeat. Acharyat padamadatte.
Acharyat Padamadate.
Padam shishyaha swamedaya.
Padam Shishyaha Swamedyaha.
Swamedaya.
Swamedaya.
Padam sabrahmacharibhyaha.
Padam Sabramacharibhyaha.
Brahmacharibhyaha.
Brahmacharibhyaha.
Padam kalakramena cha.
Padam Kalakrimenachayaha.
Kalakramena cha.
Kalakrimenacha.
Kramena.
Kramena.
Kalakramena cha.
Kalakrimenacha.
Read the meaning.
A pupil learns only a quarter from his teacher, acquires another quarter from his own intelligence, receives yet another quarter from his classmates, and gets the other quarter in course of time.
Yeah. So you got.
Thank you, Mahodaye.
So we will read once more. Who wants to? Surabhi Mahodaye, Bhavati Pattiva.
Mahodaya. Acharyat padamadatte. Padam shishyah swamedhaya. Padam sabrahmacharibhyah. Padam kalakramena cha.
So we know the meaning. Now we read this atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra, kutra. So this interesting story is using that word atra and tatra. So devaha kutra asti. We read one sentence when we were recapping about,
Sarvatra asti.
Nakshatrani sarvatra asti. Vayuhu kutra asti?
Vayuhu
Vayuh
sarvatra.
sarvatra asti.
Sarvatra asti. So devaha kutra asti?
Devaha sarvatra.
Sarvatra asti. So where everywhere is there, we use sarvatra. Somewhere else it is anyatra. Atra mayuraha asti va?
No.
Atra mayuraha asti va?
No.
अत्र मयूरः नास्ति
नास्ति. मयूरः कुत्र अस्ति?
मयूरः वने अस्ति
अन्यत्र अस्ति.
मयूरः अन्यत्र अस्ति. अन्यत्र अस्ति. So atra anyatra. Now the story I just read quickly once and couple of you can read. Kashi nagare ekah panditah vasati. Kashi nagare ekah panditah vasati. Pandita Samipam Ekaha Shishyaga Agachati. Pandita Samipam Ekaha Shishyaga Agachati. Shishyaga Vadati Acharye Vidyabhyasartam Aham Agataha. Kimartam Agataha Vidyabhyasartam Aham Agataha. Panditaha Shishya Buddhi Parikshartam Prichati Vatsa Devaha Kutra Asti. Panditaha Shishya Buddhi Parikshartam Kimartam Buddhi Parikshartam Prichati Vatsa Devaha Kutra Asti. Shishyaha Vadati Guro Devaha Kutra Nasti. Kripaya Bhavaneva Samadhanam Vadatu. Kripaya Bhavaneva Samadhanam Vadatu. Santushtaha Guruhu Vadati Devaha Sarvatra Asti. Devaha Sarvavyapi. Tvam Buddhiman. Ataha Vidyabhyasartam Atra Eva Vasa. Vidyabhyasartam Atra Eva Vasa. I hope you got the meaning of the story. Can anyone explain?
I can
Kalyani
tell.
Mahodaya, you can explain what the story says.
Kashmir Nagare ek Pandit. There was a teacher in Kashi Nagare. Kashi Nagar. There was a teacher in Kashi town. So once disciple, one Sishya came to him, Samipe, Pandita Samipam, Agachati, he came, Agachati, so past tense, it is came. So he asked, Vadati means asked or he told. See the,
He told, you can say asked or he said. He said.
Guru Vidyabhyartam aham agat. I have come for Vidyabhyasam. I have come to learn from you. So Panditaha Sishya Buddhi Parikshartam Prachati. He the Guru to test that boy, he asked some question. What's Devaha Kutra Asti? Son, where is God? Shishya Vadati, the Shishya told Guru Devaha Kutra Nasti. He told Guru, where is not God? Where is not God? Kripaya Bhavan Evam Samadhanam Vadatu. Give me one answer. Where is not God? He asked the Shishya asked that Guru. Then Santushta Guru Vadati. So the Guru became very happy. Santushta, happy, no? Santushta Guru Devaha Sarvatra Asti. He told Bhagavan is everywhere. The God is everywhere. So Devaha Sarvavyapi. So God is all pervading. Sarvavyapi, all pervading. Tvam Buddhiman. So you are a wise student. Atha Vidyabhyasartam Atra Eva Vasa. So Ataha. So for the learning, Atra you can Vasa in the sense live. You can come and
You
live.
live. Vasa is you live. You live here. You stay here. Vasa.
You stay here. Yeah. Guru.
It is imperative. Good. So here we can ask some questions. Panditaha Kutra Vasati?
Kashi Nagare Vasati.
Kashi Nagare.
Full sentence.
Panditaha
Panditaha
Kashi Nagare Vasati.
Panditaha Kashi Nagare Vasati. So when somebody asks Pustakam Kutra Asti, Pustakam Grihe Asti. We can say Pustakam Grihe Asti. Pustakam Vidyalaye Asti. So Kashi Nagare Asti. Bhavan kutra vasti? Aham Chennai nagare vasami. So you all can say one sentence where you are living quickly. Kalyani Mahode.
Aham Mysore Nagare Vasami.
Yes. Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavati kutra vasati?
Aham Melbourne Nagare Vasami.
Sundar Mahode.
Aham Bengaluru Nagare Vasami.
Lakshmi Mahode.
Aham Columbus Nagare Vasami.
Bhargavi Mahode.
Aham Kolkata Nagare Vasami.
Deepak Mahode.
Aham Melbourne Nagare Vasami.
Okay. Lakshmi Mahode.
I already said, ma'am.
She
Aham
said.
Columbus.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, thank
Who
you.
has not said?
Ming Mahode.
Ming Mahode.
Aham California Nagare Vasami.
Aham California Nagare Vasami.
Aham Vishakhapatnam Nagare Vasami.
Samyak. Anybody left?
Aham Delhi Nagare Vasami.
Surabhi Mahode.
Okay, sir. Okay. Aham
Anybody
Bengaluru
left?
Nagare Vasami.
Akshay Mahode, Kutra Vasati Bhavan?
Aham Bengaluru Nagare Vasami.
From there you take it up from there, whatever is
Anybody else left?
yeah, and also you know
Okay.
very well, sir.
So now when somebody asks, you can ask Bhavan Bhavati Kutra Vasati. So I am Chennai Nagare, I am Delhi Nagare, I am Bangalore Nagare, like that. Pandita Nagare. This Panditaha Vasati. Pandita Samipam Ekaga Shishyaga Agachati. This story is in present tense. As Kalyani Mahode said, Agachati is not past tense, Agachati is present tense. The story
Agachat is past tense. Yeah.
Agachat is past tense, Agachati is
Gachati,
present
Gachati,
tense.
yeah.
This story, generally story is always in past tense, but this story is, see, Asti, Vadatu, Vadati, all these things are present tense, Agachati.
Yeah,
All the
sorry,
verbs
sorry.
are in present tense. So, Pandita Samipam Kaha Agachati?
Panditah Samipam Ekah Shishya Agachati.
Ekah Shishyah Pandita Samipam Agachati. Who has come to
Sishyaha.
Pandita?
Sishyaha.
Shah.
And how many Shishya?
Ekaha
Ekaha
Shishya.
Shishya.
So what is this Ekaha Shishya?
Only one
Pullinga
student.
One.
Ekavachanam.
Vachanam.
Pullinga Ekavachanam. Ekaha Shishyaha. Right? So
One student.
yeah, one student. Agachati. Shishyaga vadati acharya vidyabhyasartam aham agataha. Kimartam shishyaga agataha?
Vidyabhyasat.
Vidyabhyasartam agataha.
Shishyaha Vidyabhyasartham Agataha.
Agataha. Agataha means he has come. He has come. Panditaha Shishya Buddhi Parikshartam Prichati. This Parikshartam for the purpose of
Testing.
to test the Shishyaha. Kimartam. The question will be Kimartam Prichati. So what does he says?
Vatsaha, Vatsa, Devaha Kutra Asti.
Yeah. Where is the God? Shishya Kim Vadati?
Shishya
Just where there is no
Gurudevaha
God.
Kutra Nasti.
Yes.
Where is there is no where there is no God.
God is not there. Na asti. Na
Na
asti. Look at the word. Asti na asti. So, how to write and how to pronounce nasti. Na plus asti, nasti. Kripaya bhavan evam samadhanam. Samadhanam is answer.
Answer.
So Bhavan eva vadatu santushtaha guru. The satisfied guru says Devaga sarvatra asti, Devaga sarvavyapi. Okay, we will go for now. Next slide is Sankhya.
Ma'am, one small doubt. Whenever this opposite word asti, na asti, na, we should take a pause when it is a opposite word. Am I right? Little bit pause, then
Na
it will
is
come.
Na is negative word. No, no,
Yeah,
na.
yeah. That's
Asti
why we will
is
take that pause.
yeah. Nasti. When you write, this is sandhi. Na plus asti, nasti. When you write together. What is your question, Mahodey?
Yeah, that's why we have to, while pronouncing, you have to take a small pause after na. It is an individual word.
Yeah, you can say na asti or nasti.
Okay.
When you pronounce it nasti, when it is written like that combined, you should read nasti. Or you can split it into na plus asti. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is Sankhya. You know what is Sankhya?
Numbers.
Counting. Sankhya is counting numbers. So we are going to learn in Sanskritam how to count. Quickly. Ming Mahodaya. Quickly patatu.
Okay. Ekam, Dwe, Trini,
Hmm.
Chatvari, Pancha.
Yes.
Shat.
So,
Sorry.
okay, quickly.
Shat, Sapta, Ashto, Nava, Dasha.
Yeah. So these are all counting for Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. I know you all must be knowing this may be Ekam and Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. So this why it is separated from this 5 and this 5 separately. These, you know, they have linga. This one linga bedam asti. Ekaha balakaha asti. Eka balika asti. Ekam phalam asti. Say this Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, these 5 numbers, they always go with according to the gender. Please keep it in mind. The rest of them, they don't change. Only these 5 numbers, they change. How? Ekaha balakaha asti. Eka balika asti. Ekam vanam asti. Right? Ekaha, eka, ekam. So that is, and 2. 2, how does it change? Dvau.
Dvau.
Dvau, dve, and dve. Dve and dve. For both, it changes into dve. And trini, trini, tisra, tistra. That is how it changes. Tistra.
Can you make a sentence, ma'am? This.
Yeah, we can say dvau, dvau, balakau, stau.
Stau, yeah.
Dvau balakau stau, dve balake
Santi.
te, dve balake te. So like that, it changes when we read about that Bahuvachanam and in the sentence formation, we will learn. So Trini also changes very this way. Tisra, Tistra, and Tistra. That we will, I think I will post it in the WhatsApp group because I have to write it and show you. And Chatwari also changes, and Pancha. And rest of them, they are same like this. Shat balakaga santi, sapta kaniha, sapta balikaga santi, ashta
Alani Santi.
अष्टफलानि सन्ति नवग्रहाणि सन्ति नवग्रहाणि सन्ति दश दश अवताराः सन्ति विष्णोः दश अवताराः सन्ति. So you are all familiar with ekam dve trini chatvari. You have to memorize in Sanskritam counting. I think it's not difficult because most of the Hindi people they know. हिंदी में कैसे बोलते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 they say like that. Most of them they like that. ekam dve trini chatvari pancha shat sapta ashta nava dasha. So next slide. Now this is a little this thing. Who will read? Lakshmi Mahode.
Yes, ma'am. Sankhyaha एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः एकविंशतिः. Okay.
Enough, Mahodaya. So in Sanskritam, this 10 comes along with that ekadashaha. That one comes first, and ekadashaha, the dasha. We will say 1 10. Ekadasha. We saw, ekam. Ekadashaha. 1 10. So 1 10, 1 plus 10 like that. Ekadasha, dwadasha, dwadasha. We have to read. Ekadasha, dwadasha, त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः. Vimshatihi. Pronunciation should be each letter, each anuswara should be clear. Vimshatihi. This is 11, 12. You have to memorize and please read again and again, and you have to. Next is, who will read? Surabhi Mahode.
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चतुर्विंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
Trimshat. So this is up to 30. Ekavimshatihi. One more person. Murali Mahodaya, Bhavan Patatu. Ekavimshatihi ekvaram.
एकवंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः
Vimshatihi, not shatam.
विंशतिः
Shatihi.
शतिः चतुर्विंशतिः विंशतिः शतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः त्रिंशत्.
So, yes. So, ekavimshatihi, that is 21. Dvavimshatihi, trayovimshatihi, chaturvimshatihi, chatur, that refa should be heard, and panchavimshatihi, shadvimshatihi, Saptavimshatihi, Ashtavimshatihi, Navavimshatihi, Trimshat. All of you can read. Now we have to count them. Can you read Bhavya Mahode?
Yes, ma'am. Shat Rajakaha. So,
Who are Rajakas?
washermen, Dobby
Shat,
people.
Shat means, tell me in
Six.
English.
6.
6. Yes,
6.
next Surabhi Mahode.
Dasha Mahilaha.
Say in English. Translate.
10 women.
10 ladies. Lakshmi Mahode.
चतुर्दश छात्राः 14 students.
Can you count all of them? Ekam, Dve.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश
Chaturdasha Kalu.
एकादश एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश
Uttam. Samyak. Akshay Mahode.
Navagaikaha, 9 singers.
Okay. Counting karo to.
एकः द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारः चत्वार पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव
Nava Gaikaha.
नवगायिका.
Yes. Now Deepak Mahode.
Panchagayakaha. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha.
Pancha Gayakaha. Who is next? Surabhi Mahode Paditavati va?
Mahode.
Okay. Ming Mahode.
Ashta Pushpani, Ashta Kamalani.
Ashta Pushpani.
Ashta Kamalani.
Astu. See here, Pushpani and Kamalani. Kamalam. The singular word is, what is the singular? Ekam Kamalam. Ashta Kamalani. How the plural changes? You can work out how the plural changes. Ashta Pushpani. Pushpam, how that Natvam occurs. Whereas Kamalani, there is no Natvam.
No.
So you can exercise that also. Who else left? Deepak
Ekadaksha nakshatrani.
Ekadasha.
Ekadasha nakshatrani.
Count. Ekam Dve.
Ekam Dvai Trai Chatur
Chatvari.
Chatvari Pancha Shat Sapta Ast Nav Dash Ekadasha.
Ekadasha Nakshatrani. What is the singular?
Nakshatrani.
What is the singular form for Nakshatrani?
Nakshatram.
Nakshatram. How it changes into Nakshatrani. So I think we have covered. I think chat box, some of them, let me see the chat box.
No, that is before, ma'am, when the Natvam was coming.
Okay.
Clarifying. Yeah.
So you have any doubts? Please do the homework. The Natvam, it will take a while when you practice and when you listen the words, and automatically you will pick up. It is a technical this thing, and you will get it. In the beginning, it looks so complicated, and don't get carried away by this. Don't think it is too difficult. So you will get used to it.
Madam,
So, no,
you said one corrected sheet, answer sheet will be there, which we have to see and correct. Where to
yeah.
find the corrected answer sheet? I couldn't.
In the same, I think in the same location you will get it. Is it
Okay.
not so, Bhavya Mahode?
No, ma'am, it has not been proposed so far.
They will post it because
Okay.
today is the last class. After maybe today afternoon and today evening, they will post it.
So far, they have
Yeah.
not.
Yeah, they have not been
posted.
posting. Only I think
there are
second.
first 2 or 3 classes they have posted.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, they will
And even the
post it.
videos, and even the videos are also
Videos,
missing.
videos are
For
also
this
you are
class,
not.
they have not posted.
Yeah, not from last class or the one before. They have not posted yet. They're a little behind.
No, last class they have posted, I think.
Yeah,
No?
the one
Slides
before
have been
that.
there.
Okay, okay. So I will put them, and I think homework they will post it today or tomorrow, homework corrected sheet, and you can check and upload. Okay. So any more things you can put it in the WhatsApp, we will attend. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. We will end with Mangala. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha. We will meet next week.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.